So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday 11th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've seen prices break. We're breaking away from the 1304, but what we did instead see was a bit of a turnaround. Broke below the 1304, so the sell side momentum retest at 1277. Failed to hold at 1277, broke through 1252, and we've had prices come down towards this 1215 and consolidating around this 1215. So if we do continue to hold this 1215 for support, looking for a retest of that 1252, successful break from which we're then targeting at 1277, and beyond that we're looking for a move back up towards that 1304 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Would expect the 1304 to be the far end of the range here to the upside. If, however, we do see this continued breakdown here on the US dollar Japanese yen, and we do fail to hold this 1215, looking for a move down towards 1160. A key level that we would be looking at would be a move down towards that 111 and potentially that 1073 if we are to see this continued sell side momentum here in the market. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. Good skill on you, correct? So seeing that sell off after trading through the 1430, we've broken out of the trend that we were in here to the upside. So on a pretty consistent sell side momentum coming to the market over the past couple of days. We've seen a breakdown towards that 1215 brief rally so far. We'll see if we do have that further sell side momentum continuation. Now we did mention very next level hit levels of note here to the downside that we are looking at 111, and in particular at 1073. In around 1073 we formed our most recently we formed our second higher low before seeing this rally here to the upside towards that 114.50 or so. So again, if we do see this continued breakdown from a daily chart perspective, we're looking to see our price rack towards our 1073 with that confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of bullish bounce at that level. But if we do fail there, we're looking for a move down towards that 1020, and beyond that we're looking to see our price rack towards this 200 period moving average, previously in around that 980 area here on the US dollar Japanese yen, if we do see further sell side momentum. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. I suppose I should probably say before I finish up, overall we can see over the past couple of months that we were in an uptrend. So even if we do see this deeper retracement here to the downside, we still are in a pretty strong trend here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. So we'll see our price develop in the coming days or weeks, whether we can find major support in around at 111 or 1073 for a move back to the upside, or if we'll break out of this trend somewhat and start to see a deeper retracement here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.